Well, let's go straight from macro top-down to stock-specific stuff, right, in terms of what will move. And it's always, budget day plus one, day two. There are these individual movers and shakers. Vivek is here with what's on his radar. Vivek, morning.
Well, good morning. That's right. So, we've culled out the top 10 list of sector stocks that we have to keep on our radar on the back of the fact of the budget speech. The first sector, of course, has to be the IT pack, a relative outperformer yesterday. Reduced tax incidence on buybacks, both for promoter as well as non-promoter entities, as well as rationalization of the tax incidence for corporates as well as non-corporates holding these companies is something that is seen quite positively. One clear beneficiary is the defense, the roadways as well as the railways pack. Core Capex has positively surprised core Capex growth at 14% versus 16% in FY26 budgeted estimate. FY27 budget 2 for the entire pack has seen higher by almost 8 to 11% versus a flat growth last year around. Defense budget is up 18%, so expect the entire set of stocks to remain in focus. The third set of stocks will be the power financiers, PFC as well as REC. They are planning to restructure both of these entities. Analysts estimate a merger will help PFC go ahead and reduce the holding company discount it currently suffers from. Keep an eye out on the entire pharma pack. The Biopharma Shakti scheme has been given a strong outlay of close to 10,000 crore rupees. Merchant banking in terms of Paytm as well as PhonePe, they have gone ahead and reinstated the UPI incentives at 2,000 crore for FY27. The entire EMS pack will be in focus. They've gone ahead and increased the outlay to 40,000 crore for the electronics component manufacturing scheme versus last year's 22,900 crore. The entire textile pack will be in focus. Three key schemes announced over there: integrated textile program outlay with 1,500 crore budgeted for that, mega textile parks as well as Mahatma Gandhi Gram Swaraj initiative. And the last positive set of stocks will be the data center initiative that's been announced. Anantraj Netweb Lodha will be in focus. Close to 20-year tax exemption for the cloud service providers. Now, coming to the set of negatives, you can't look beyond the exchanges. BSE, Angel One, Nuvama Wealth, Grow. Remember, STT on futures has been increased from 2 basis points to 5 basis points, and from 10 to 12.5 basis points to 15 basis points on option premium. For BSE, almost 60% of the revenues come from this particular segment, so it'll be interesting to watch whether there is further downside today. Dixon Technologies, one stock from the EMS pack. Remember, mobile PLI has not been extended, and PSU banks will remain in focus. Higher than expected gross borrowing could lead to treasury losses that these companies could face, and also lack of clarity as far as foreign ownership limits could also weigh in on the stocks today.
Okay, all right, Vivek, thanks a lot for that.